All right, so let's see how we can filter the data. For example, here in this data, we have everything. I just want the record of the cars where year is greater than 2010. For example, this record where year is equals to 2009. I don't want this kind of record, right? For example, I'm going to purchase a car. I need a car which is latest model. Let's say later than 2010, not before 2010. So what I will do is I'll say data frame. Now the column name on which I want to put the filter, I'll write the column name, and then I'll say I'll add the condition over here. So year should be greater than 2010, right? Greater than sign over here. Now remember, this greater than sign always gets us either true or false. So it prints all the rows, and it says the first record is true, second record is true, third is false, which means that the first record is on the first record, this condition is true. On second record, this condition is true. On the third record, this condition is false. But I need particular record, not true and false. So what I will do is I'll cut it. I'll say data frame dot location, and inside this, I'll paste that same condition over here. Now, when I'll paste these trues and false over there inside the location, it will get me only the rows where it says true, 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 and these trues. It will ignore all the falses, right? So running it, here we go. So it contains only the records where year is greater than 2010. And you see, there are 6,651 rows where year is greater than 2010. You might be wondering that now we have 14 columns. Why? Because if you remember, we added a new column over here to this data, right? So we can perform greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, whatever on numerical columns. And we can also work with the non-numerical columns as well. For example, where's the fuel column? So here's the fuel column, here is the diesel. I need only the cars where fuel is diesel. So how do we do that? We'll say data frame dot location. This is not necessary, by the way. We can directly do that as well. Data frame of data frame, and then inside it, which column? Fuel column. So fuel column should be equals to this string, should be equals to diesel, D with capital D. Okay. So running it. Oh, it gives me an error. Oh, okay. So it says key error, fuel. So the spellings are incorrect. What are the F-U-E-L? Yeah. Running it. Now it is correct. Now you see, we have only those cars where fuel is diesel, right? Now, what if I want to add a condition where I should have multiple conditions? For example, the car's year should be greater than 2010, which is this condition, and car should be diesel. Right now, under this condition, I have both cars, which are diesel and petrol. And if I come over here inside the diesel, I have again both cars, which are above above 2010 and less than 2010 as well. So I only want cars where year is greater than 2010 and fuel type is diesel. Syntax is almost same, data frame of. So inside this, we'll write everything. So first condition is going to be exactly same. We'll say where year is greater than 2010, right? Now, since we are going to have multiple conditions, right? So we'll pack each condition inside round braces, right? And here I'll say, and I'll write another condition inside another braces, data frame of what? F-U-E-L. Fuel should be equals to what? Diesel, right? So if I run it, it gives me an error. Oh yeah, instead of and, I should write the symbol of and. Symbol of and is this one, right? So you're running it. Yeah, now it is working perfectly fine. So now you see, you will never see a car where either year is less than 2010 or fuel type is other than diesel, right? Only the cars above 2010 and diesel types are available over here. Now, instead of and sign, this is and sign. If I write or sign, this pipe is the or symbol, then what will happen? I hope you are able to guess it. Now, either this condition is true or this condition is true, or both are true. Show me those records. Now, for this record, year is greater than 2010, fuel is diesel, so both are true. That is why record is being shown. For this, year thing is false. This is false, but this is true. Why? Because this car belongs to 2010, which means first condition was false, but Since its fuel type is diesel, that is why it is included inside this filter. So you can write as complex filter as you want, as you need. Then also write filters by using ChatGPT as well. So I would suggest you go ahead and write some interesting filters where you want to filter, cars based upon, some interesting parameters, and see how it works. So this is about how we can analyze the data by using Pandas. Pandas provide us another beautiful thing, which is data visualization. So let's see what is data visualization and how it works in next video.